how to turn on or turn off button shapes on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down and tap on Display and Text Size. In here, tap on Button Shapes. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. After that, tap on the back key to go back to the previous settings page, or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now, if I turn on button shapes, you will notice that under the back key there is an underline, so it makes the button stand out a little bit more, so you can quickly recognize if that is simply just normal text or a button that you can press on. And that's it. Finally, go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.